half saddle. I'm lying either a bolster or a rolled up yoga mat behind me, extending both legs out forward. I'm going to bend my left knee. I can be either on my elbows, I can be on my arms like this, or I can extend and lie back and lay back completely on the bolster. So you decide what feels most comfortable for you. You can stay up, and then eventually you could go back to your elbows, and then eventually lay all the way back like this. And if you want to go deeper from there, take a hold of alternating elbows and send the arms up overhead. Rest them on your bolster and just begin to relax. Breathe here into this deep opening. Surrender to the weight of your body. Don't move into any pain. Adjust as needed, but just relax and breathe. Allow yourself the privilege of not thinking about your day, what's in the future. None of those things matter now. You are here to let it all go. For this brief period of time, you've chosen to care for yourself, to care for your body, and to let go. Allow those thoughts to just float by like clouds. Into the distance they go. Gently release your arms, if you have them up overhead, and bring them down to your side. We are going to come out of this pose very gently, nice and slowly. Make connection with the floor and push into the floor as you push yourself up to sitting. You're going to cup your left hand over your left knee and lift your knee up toward the sky. Gently release your foot out from under you and send it out in front of you. Shake your legs out. Shake, shake, shake those legs out. That was a really deep opening and you did an amazing job. So now we're going to switch sides. Re-establishing your root, I want you to grab a hold of your right foot this time and bend your knee. Decide again how you would like to lie on the bolster or the rolled up mat. This side may feel completely different than the other side as well, and that's totally normal. If you feel comfortable, take a hold of alternating elbows and bring your arms up overhead. Relax your throat up toward the sky. Release your chin up toward the sky. Your body is completely relaxed and still. Find yourself heavy, heavier, and heavier as you relax. On your next inhale and your next exhale, recommit yourself to relaxation. Recommit yourself to letting go. Moment by moment, second by second, we can return to our breath. We can return to this act of grounding and clearing that we're doing today. Releasing the thoughts as you feel your energy cleaning and purifying them away. For the next minute, connect to one of the deepest and purest truths about yourself that you are willing to accept and smile at. Allow it to resonate in your heart. Allow it to be big right now. Gently release the arms down by your side. Push the ground away and come up to sitting. Cup your right hand around your right knee and lift your knee up toward the sky, releasing your foot out in front of you straight. Shake your legs out. That was a deep opening. Yes. That was so awesome. This has been Devin with Present Day Yoga. Namaste. Thank you. Goodbye.